Hi, Kevin here. Well, one of the viewers, I think his name is Glenn, in fact, I'm sure his name is Glenn, asked if I had a recipe for chicken and dumplings. And yes, I do have a recipe for chicken and dumplings, and I will fix that dish tomorrow. Now, tonight, however, I'm going to go ahead and cook the chicken for the dish, and here it is. So this is a 6.5 pound whole chicken, and it costs almost $19 for this bird, but I consider it a bargain because I'm going to get several meals from this one chicken. So I'll be able to do the chicken and dumplings, I'll have enough chicken to do a chicken pot pie, and plus I'm going to have some beautiful broth from the cooking liquid. And after I've removed all the meat from the bones, I'm going to pressure cook the bones with some water, and then I'll have some gorgeous bone broth. So now I'm not going to season the chicken at all, and let me back up one moment. The USDA says do not wash the chicken, because what happens is you open the plastic bag that the chicken came in, you run water over it, the water splashes all over your sink, your faucet, your counter, probably yourself, and what it's splashing is bacteria. So the only thing you want to do is pat the chicken dry with either a flour sackcloth or with paper towels. Okay, now back to the seasoning. I'm not going to season the chicken tonight because I'm going to season it according to the recipes I'm going to use the chicken in. So first up, I'm going to add 4 cups of water to the Instant Pot. That's going to give me 4 cups of broth. And then I have the chicken on the little trivet that came with the Instant Pot. And in it goes. And now, timing. So it's 6 minutes per pound for a whole chicken that you're cooking under pressure in the Instant Pot. And since my bird weighs 6.5 pounds, that's going to be 39 minutes. And if my math is correct, okay? So yeah, 39 minutes, and then I'm going to let the pressure release naturally for about 15 minutes. And when that happens, we'll come back. Now, I just brought the chicken back out of the pot because I forgot to tell you that it's important to tuck the wings under the chicken like this. That way it sits in the pot better. Okay, there we go. So once again, it's going to be 39 minutes under high pressure. And then 15 minutes natural release. So pressure cook and 39 minutes. Okay, and we'll come back. All right, the chicken has finished cooking, and again, I let the pressure release naturally for actually 12 minutes. It's off. And it certainly smells good. Okay, let's have a look. Pull this out. How am I going to do this? Let's see. Let this drain. And here's the chicken. Here's some of the chicken that fell over here. Okay, and now, you can't even see. Sorry about that. Here's the chicken. And I just want to test it. Oh yeah, it's very, look at that. It's very tender. Right, I'm going to set this aside to let it cool, and then I will be pulling all of the meat off of the chicken. And then I want to strain the broth. So I've set a wire mesh sieve over a large bowl. I'm straining this just in case there are bits of chicken skin in it. Beautiful. Let's have a look. Oh, gorgeous broth. And again, it really smells wonderful. I didn't add any seasoning, so it just smells like pure chicken. All right, then I'm going to let this cool and the chicken cool, and then once again, I'm going to separate the meat from the bones, and then I will save the bones to make bone broth. Okay, and I can't do that until the chicken has cooled, so I will probably continue this video tomorrow. Okay? All right, we'll see you then. All right, I'm back, and I decided not to put off until tomorrow what I could accomplish tonight. Have a look. So here is the chicken that I pulled off the bones. And I don't know if you can tell, but this is a lot of chicken. And I did taste of the chicken, and both the dark and the white meat are very moist. And here are the bones. Here's the wishbone. It's bones and skin and any little, stringy things that I didn't want to put in my chicken and dumplings. So what I will do is tomorrow morning, I will put the chicken bones and skin in the Instant Pot along with 6 cups of water. And then I will cook that under high pressure for about 30 minutes. And then I'll end up with some really wonderful bone broth. And here is the broth just from cooking the chicken in the Instant Pot. So remember, I started out with 4 cups of water and I ended up with 7 cups of broth. So a lot of the chicken juice went into the water. And I did put some ice cubes in here to encourage the fat to rise to the surface. And then of course I will skim that off. So I'm going to cover and refrigerate all of this, and then tomorrow we will make the chicken and dumplings. All right, so I hope you got something out of this video. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.